Hello everyone, welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video, we're going to learn how to start a furniture store business. My name is Shaun Randall and I'll be your business advisor in this video. Now before we start your furniture store business, let's learn more about some of the trends that are happening so that you can take advantage of the opportunity to make money. Trend number 1, a digital shift. The first trend to bear in mind is that while most people still buy their furniture in store, there is a digital shift taking place. The focus on social commerce and its ability to fuel online shopping is part of this shift. More than half of social network users in the United States are only on mobile devices and would prefer to complete purchases easily with a single app. Transferring to other websites or having a disjointed experience is usually a deal breaker. Social commerce is a way to improve the shopping experience and guide the consumer from the product discovery process to the purchasing process. This works especially well for lifestyle retail categories like furniture, and it provides another way to reach customers who might not have been willing to shop in person. Digital transformation will be critical to supply chain success. Brands, retailers, and manufacturers must be agile in order to keep up with fluctuating demand. Furniture manufacturers will be able to fully streamline their workflow and accelerate time to market by leveraging automation. Trend number 2, personalization is key. Personalization will be the key differentiator as younger generations begin to buy homes and move out on their own. For furniture companies, this means creating made-to-order workflows that allow them to respond to demand rather than stockpile. Furniture companies will be able to not only deliver customized and bespoke pieces quickly, but also better control the cost and quality of their final products by leveraging automated workflows. Trend number 3, cash and carry is preferred by the younger generation. Another trend is that younger shoppers, many whom believe in the importance of social commerce, favor and desired a cash and carry option. This direct-to-consumer model is consistent with many previous noted trends, such as the fact that 3/4 of consumers expect to be able to buy directly from a brand or retailer while still receiving the same level of engagement. Furthermore, nearly half of consumers buy products from a brand on a regular basis, and even more expect to buy more products directly from a brand in the future. With traditional retailers and direct-to-consumer brands competing for market space, the consumer is in control and can afford to have higher expectations about their shopping experience. Direct-to-consumer brands frequently have an advantage because they can cut out the middleman and offer lower prices. So in order for traditional retailers to compete, they must exceed the customer's expectation in terms of experience. When it comes to starting a furniture store business, you need to know who your potential customers are. Your furniture store may specialize in low-cost items produced by large factories, or it may cater to wealthy consumers seeking one-of-a-kind designs built specifically for their home or business. To increase your earning potential, you can also include lighting fixtures, electronics, appliances, and outdoor furniture. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button to show your appreciation. Also leave a comment below if you'd like us to make a long, detailed follow-up video to learn more about how to start a furniture store business. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.